my last song. Open up that circle pit. I need to see World War III in this motherfucker.
Hey, open up a
Let's
fucking
go.
pit.
Let's go. Sing that shit.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Outside in the all black. 10 rolled up when I'm out. Said I wanna live, but I just wanna die. Motherfucker, if you looking for me, find me in the net. I got enough, don't wanna fight, don't wanna take your fucking life in the right on sight. Gonna strike if you walk in a black. Blood drop for the cop, pop a 6-shot rock. Then I try to the rock, to me on blood cop. Red dot, body drop when I cop, then I stop. No tune, no plot, then I'm off for the yacht. Undocked with the side of your skull hanging in the fucking river. Oh, suicide.
Head up down in the crowd, I'm lounging. No one in the ground, I'm drowning. Climb to the top, and I'm
Hands up, hands up.
Swerve, swerving in the motherfucking all white crowd, big blue like
Out this
top red.
howling.
Throw it from my cup because he
Put another brown kid.
got the down linked up on the flame that I beg from my grace and the head back grand for the bag on the 7-day. Great my DJ on the grid. Still got the man, still got the
Yeah.
still got the stun, still got the cash bitch. I burn it for fun, put the Glock in my skull, then I
Hands up, hands up.
I like
Hands
singing
up,
this
hands
shit.
up.
Yeah, Southside suicide. Say you get money, but your number don't show you a liar. Baseball bat, fully wrapped in barbed wire. For anyone that's tryna get fired, I've been thinking a lot. I see these rappers tryna get in my spot. Rob Tony, you gotta get it how you live. Tell that bitch you better get up on my wrist. Big ol' breath asshole with a face like this. You want the issue with no team, my blow them, I'm flow, see the tissue. I got anxiety, so I can really do an interview. Don't go close to me, I'm not the one to really do it how it's supposed to be. Independent, tell the label to get over me. I'm over here with my peers getting rich, point blank a bar, bring it to the rim, make sure that bitch don't stink. Ain't no
rules to the game. Talk how you want. Walk how you want. My job is the shit. I used to clean up shit for the rim of the toilet. Now I'm getting money. Y'all don't gotta pack a pistola. Okay, maybe. Why? Cause jealousy make a man go crazy. And money make a motherfucker. Thank you so much.